Is your car feeling slower than it used to? Maybe the acceleration isn't as sharp, fuel economy keeps getting worse, or the engine just doesn't feel as smooth anymore. You're not imagining it. More than 70% of engines lose up to 30% of their performance before reaching 100,000 miles, and most drivers never realize why. Carbon buildup, dirty sensors, and overlooked maintenance slowly steal your engine's power over time. The good news is, you don't need an expensive rebuild to get that performance back. In this video, I'll show you 15 proven hacks that can make your engine run smoother, stronger, and more efficiently again. Most are inexpensive, easy to do yourself, and the number one tip is something many drivers completely overlook. Let's get started. Starting at number 15, clean your mass airflow sensor, also known as the MAF sensor. Think of the MAF sensor as your engine's breathing monitor. Every second you drive, it measures exactly how much air enters the engine, so the computer can calculate the perfect amount of fuel to inject. When it's clean, your engine runs smoothly, throttle response feels sharp, and fuel economy stays where it should be. But over time, tiny particles of dust, oil vapor, and dirt coat the delicate sensing wires inside the sensor. Suddenly, your engine computer starts receiving inaccurate airflow readings. That can cause rough idling, sluggish acceleration, poor gas mileage, hesitation, and sometimes even a check engine light. Thankfully, fixing it is incredibly easy. Locate the sensor near the air filter box, unplug it carefully, and remove it. Only use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Never use brake cleaner, carb cleaner, or compressed air because they can permanently damage the sensor. Spray the sensing elements gently, avoid touching them. Let everything dry completely, then reinstall it. Repeat this every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or whenever you replace your air filter, and you'll often notice an immediate improvement. Coming in at number 14, replace or clean your air filter. Your engine needs a huge amount of clean air to perform at its best. When the air filter becomes clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, airflow is restricted, causing sluggish acceleration, poor throttle response, and lower fuel economy. The good news is that replacing it is one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can do. Most paper filters cost between $15 and $30, while reusable performance filters last for years with proper care. Simply remove the old filter, clean the air box, install the new one, and replace it every 12 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty conditions. Number 13, use a quality fuel injector cleaner. Over time, carbon deposits clog your fuel injectors, preventing them from delivering the fine fuel spray your engine needs. That leads to rough idling, hesitation, reduced power, and poor fuel economy. A trusted fuel injector cleaner like Chevron Techron, Lucas, or Seafoam costs only $10 to $20. Add it to your fuel tank every 3,000 to 5,000 miles to help remove buildup. If the injectors are heavily clogged, a professional pressurized cleaning can restore their original performance. Number 12, clean the throttle body. Carbon buildup around the throttle plate restricts airflow. After reassembly, the engine may idle roughly for a short time while the computer recalibrates, but smoother performance usually returns almost immediately. Number 11, perform a carbon cleaning. Carbon naturally builds up inside the intake valves, combustion chambers, and pistons, reducing power and fuel efficiency while increasing emissions. Fuel additives like liqui moly or Seafoam can remove light deposits, while direct injection engines often benefit from professional walnut blasting every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these money-saving tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more proven automotive secrets. Now, on to number 10, use quality fuel. Here's one of the biggest myths in the automotive world. Premium gasoline doesn't automatically give every car more horsepower. It simply has a higher octane rating to prevent engine knock in vehicles designed for it. If your owner's manual recommends regular fuel, premium usually won't improve performance. Instead, focus on high-quality top-tier gasoline, which contains detergents that keep injectors and valves cleaner. For extra protection, use a trusted fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles. Number 9. Maintain your spark plugs and ignition system. Spark plugs fire thousands of times every minute, but over time they wear out, weakening combustion. The result is rough starts, misfires, sluggish acceleration, and poor fuel economy. Most spark plugs last between 30,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on their type. Replace them with the manufacturer recommended plugs and inspect your ignition coils and wires for cracks or corrosion to restore smooth performance. Number 8. Inspect and clean the PCV valve. This small part controls engine ventilation by recycling crankcase gases. When it becomes clogged with sludge and carbon, you may notice rough idling, oil consumption, poor mileage, or even blue exhaust smoke. Remove the valve and shake it. If it doesn't rattle, clean it or replace it. Since most PCV valves cost only $10 to $25, it's an inexpensive way to improve engine performance. Number 7. Never delay oil changes. Clean engine oil reduces friction, cools moving parts, and protects against wear. As oil ages, it loses its protective qualities, leading to overheating, poor performance, and costly engine damage. Most vehicles need an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, so always use the correct oil grade and a quality filter. A simple oil change today can prevent a major repair tomorrow. Number 6. Keep your cooling system healthy. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to ruin an engine. Flush and replace coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Inspect hoses for leaks or cracks, and make sure the radiator cap seals properly. A healthy cooling system protects your engine for the long haul. And if you're still watching, hit that subscribe button because the biggest maintenance secrets are still coming. Number 5. Replace a damaged gas cap. It may seem like a small part, but a loose or cracked gas cap can trigger the check engine light, reduce fuel economy, and let fuel vapors escape. Always tighten it until you hear several clicks, and replace worn seals or damaged caps with the correct OM version. A $20 gas cap can save you hundreds in unnecessary repairs. Number 4. Refresh worn components. Your engine can last for hundreds of thousands of miles, but parts like ignition coils, belts, hoses, and sensors wear out much sooner. Replacing these inexpensive components before they fail helps restore performance and prevents costly breakdowns. Number 3. Maintain the gas cap seal. The small rubber seal under the gas cap keeps the fuel system airtight. If it becomes dirty or cracked, fuel vapors escape and efficiency drops. Clean it regularly and replace it if it's worn. Number 2. Stop small oil leaks early. Minor oil leaks can quickly become major repairs. Check under your vehicle regularly, monitor oil levels, and use a quality stop leak additive for small leaks. If the leak continues, replace the faulty gasket before the damage gets worse. And finally, number 1, inspect every engine hose. Loose or cracked hoses can cause coolant leaks, vacuum leaks, overheating, and poor performance. Check hoses regularly for cracks, soft spots, or loose clamps, and replace damaged ones immediately. It's one of the cheapest ways to protect your engine from expensive repairs. So there you have it, 15 proven maintenance hacks that can genuinely make your engine run smoother, stronger, and more efficiently without spending a fortune. None of these tips are magic tricks. They're simple maintenance habits that professional mechanics rely on every day to keep engines healthy for hundreds of thousands of miles. If you start applying even a handful of these techniques, you'll likely notice better throttle response, improved fuel economy, smoother idling, and a longer-lasting engine. More importantly, you'll reduce the chances of expensive repairs that catch so many drivers by surprise. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next money-saving automotive guide. And before you go, leave a comment below telling us which of these tips you've already tried or which one you're planning to do first. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.